Air Innovations introduces the Ultrasonic Clean Mist Smart Humidifier model number 408. The 408 is one of the most fully featured and most versatile humidifiers ever made. It has ultrasonic cool mist technology, which means it's completely silent and safe to the touch, and can even run for 8 nights of sleep before you have to refill it. This humidifier comes with a 1.1-gallon antimicrobial inhibited tank that turns on with a simple turn of the dial. The permanent ceramic filter never needs to be replaced, and the rotating mist nozzle can easily be aimed in any direction, distributing cool, refreshing moisture. This humidifier also includes an auto out-of-water shutoff. Should you notice any calcium deposits in the tank and base or around the ultrasonic nebulizer, you can easily clean it with a 50-50 mix of water and white vinegar. Let the water-vinegar mixture sit in the base for about an hour. Then use the included brush to clean around the black ring of the nebulizer and any additional calcium deposits. When you're finished cleaning your humidifier, pour out the remaining liquid and wipe clean with a soft, dry cloth. To clean the permanent ceramic filter, simply twist it off from inside the bottom of the tank, rinse it under tap water, and insert it back into the bottom of the tank. For more detailed instructions on all the functions of your humidifier, please refer to the included owner's manual. Bring your family clean, pure, healthy moisture with the Air Innovations 408 Ultrasonic Clean Mist Smart Humidifier.